my seats have molded badly. I'm gonna show you. So the right seat was molded quite badly, but the left one is a bit better. Anyhow, I took out both of them, washed them, and let them dry in the sun for the rest of the day. The seats were bolted down with all different kinds of bolts, and apparently the seats aren't MR2s, they're Celica seats. I'm trying to remove the body harness. The car has been case swapped, but the swap isn't finished. It has a K24 and currently it has a K24 gearbox, ECU and engine harness. However, I have gathered that for me it's easiest to switch to a K20 ECU and use a Hondata, so things would be more plug and play since I literally know nothing of wiring and I'm like a total beginner currently. I maybe didn't go the cheapest route, but the easiest one that's available as far as I know. So I have to remove the whole body harness and do some rework to that to get it to work with the ECU and the engine harness for my K20 engine. The K20 engine harness and ECU I have already ordered, they're not here yet. In the meantime, I'm just removing all the spaghetti mess that I have in this car. The body harness runs to the back of the car, to the taillights, so I also needed to remove it from there and disconnect the connectors. The hardest part was getting it out through the firewall. The removal of the engine harness will be left for the next time when I have finished with the body harness, because I don't think I will remember where to plug in all the connectors after I've disconnected them, so I left it there for now. Hope to see you in the next episode.